All right guys, we're gonna go ahead and unbox our BA air cleaner. Reminder, this guy is 50 state compliant, so you can purchase it here, right here at Lifestyle Cycles or on their site as well. This product, like many other of our products, is proudly made in the USA. We got this nice packaging to protect it. So go ahead and open this guy up, show you guys what we got. Stickers as always, we got our thorough instructions here, that way pretty much anyone can install it with a few simple tools. We actually list out what tools you'll need. We got our air cleaner here. This is our black filter, black cage, and clear see-through cover option. It's just got a little protective film on there, protect it from getting banged around during shipping. Then I'll go ahead and show you, like many of our other kits, we include all the Loctite, lubricant, hardware needed for install. So you can see the breather bolts, O-rings, spacers in case you got a bracket on there, everything you'll need to get the job done.
So Harry, one of the questions I always get from our customers is, what kind of performance gain am I going to get from changing out my air cleaner?
So one of the biggest gains you're going to see besides horsepower and torque is going to be throttle response. Inside this guy is this velocity stack to help increase the intake track runner, so that will really help produce better air velocity going into the intake manifold, giving you that crispy throttle response.
That's great. All these guys are going to love to hear that. So everyone stay tuned and we're going to get this stuff installed.
Whoa, wait! Don't go anywhere until you like and subscribe to make sure you get notified every time we post our how-to videos, our product reviews, and all of our amazing interviews with your favorite racers and industry icons. I'll see you guys next time.